Oh, Donna. Oh, Madonna's big up on a nice clean self. Welcome back to another video. Me there are dead with laugh because, these are the content we me I gonna do and me have to just leave the feedback for the content here because putting in the comment section is not enough. Me just have to share some things with you know, and that's what me I do right now. Anyways, me just go right into the video. Come on to know if you listen to this, and me I go tell you what what my comment.
Coach tongue, I'm love suck up breast, I'm suck friend to my time. So I can't bother if you do that and get on me a suck out in tongue and I wonder how much man blood clear out in suck. Suck up breast, I wonder how much man company breast. Suck front and I wonder how much food go inside it to blood clean. Can't imagine this bad girl enough for me. Love me look at these days, love a girl them. When me I do be think me have your toes fret, you see me? Yo, me can't do it no bad girl cause me I love a boy. I love cuddle and I love suck out tongue and I love suck up breast and I suck front to my time. So I can't bother if you do that and get on me a suck out in tongue and I wonder how much man blood clear out in suck. Suck up breast, I wonder how much man company breast. Suck front and I wonder how much food go inside it to blood clean. Can't imagine this bad girl enough for me. Love me look at these days, love a girl them. When me I do be think me have your toes fret, you see me?
Let me tell you something. I never know I would have lived to hear one Jamaican man say so front, about the front part. Me never know in a history say me that hear one Jamaican man say that. Because how them a Jamaican man here stay? Jesus, I saw me know say them a get brazen, Them a get yo, the way all the man them burn out them things, them can't believe say one Jamaican man really come on line and utter out them things there. I mean, them a do it. But if you see a nice looking guy like him say that, it shock. It shocked me. Me have to laugh, but it shocked me because this a going from century and them not talk about it. Them no want nobody look down upon them, then this, then that. Him say no want no woman, no bad girl. So if him having woman in yard and he knows the woman loyal and genuine, then no say, guess what? He's a real G. Him a doing thing. Him a making woman happy. And that him a do. So if that's what making woman happy, him a making woman happy. Yeah. Him a making woman happy. And if that making woman happy, at that him a do. Another part they may I talk about. Because the way how then some man go on and some of them even they behind closed door do it and then they come out and go on like my youth, better not just shut on the mouth. Enough time when they there and a cuss out woman, a cuss out man because they talk them thing here. Yeah, this are for the man them man. Not for the man them when you see out there talk certain things. Them they behind closed door do it. But yeah, when somebody come out brazen and talk about it, them a burn them out. Make him and then do what they want to do and feed them out. Make them do it at a part them me a talk about other part everything else me not hear. At a part because guess what? The way all they used to burn it. Now then take time I come round. Enough of them take time I come round. I open them out. But well what you doing in your bedroom supposed to stay in your bedroom and nobody business. But at the same time, you must say. Remember even down which part me used to work and when me hear all the guy one guy said that down there. It was so weird. It was so weird to hear people talk out loud. What them something there? How people look down upon them. Nah drink out of the cup where then drink out of. Nah, yo, remember know. With soap, a cup wash with soap. What could I depend on the cup there? If they find out say the man them drink out, they not drink out there. They not drink, they got bar, they want plastic cup. They not drink, they don't want eat from them, they don't want eat from the spoon. If them go up in their face, them can tell you say they smell like it. Guys, me I tell you, drama the video. Jamaican band them a drama, me I tell you. Trust me. Don't for them go on like they know they are fraud. And they do sometimes they fi just shut them mouth. Me not tell a lie. Some of them just really just to shut them out when they hear people attack. Sometimes you see them all in the comment section and cuss out people, and believe me, none of them they are do it. But them just now be bracing with it. You know, leave the man them where them want to do a feed them a find way out to please them woman. Some of them can't please their woman the right way. So and some woman just really much into it a lot. They into it a lot. So just leave people, make them live their life, and if they want to talk about it, then talk about it. But it's just funny if you hear him with it so brawling because you don't really hear Ben talk about that back home. Anyway, guys, tell me what y'all think in the comment section. Please remember to like the video. Big up on a nice clean self. Enough love. Share. If you don't already subscribe, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell and share my videos with your friends and family. I will truly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Bye.